Begin your Gua Sha routine with cleansed skin. Prepare your skin with a hydrosol like rose water. You can then go in with your favorite facial oil. Here I am using the KOQAL Rosehip Oil for the massage. Take enough oil into your palms, enough to cover your face and neck comfortably. It is necessary to provide enough slip as you massage your skin. If you feel that at any point your skin is feeling dry, you can apply a few more drops. For now, I'm going to be spreading this oil evenly across my face and my neck. Next, I'm going to take my favorite Gua Sha stone and start very gently scraping my skin with this. Make sure you don't drag your skin too much and just give a quick wiggle when you reach the edges of your face. Make sure you hold your other hand over the other part of your face so that your skin is not getting dragged. Be very, very gentle. Each spot on your face can be massaged for 4 to 5 counts. Just use edges which feel comfortable on your face. There seems to be no hard and fast rule that only a certain surface can be used for a certain part of the face. But with trial and error, you will see that there are some edges which feel better on your skin than others. Do the same on the other side of the face as well. Make sure that you're being very gentle with your skin. No harsh movements. Don't press into your skin too hard. And just relax and go with the flow. If you wish, you can switch on a piece of calming music to add to the experience. Four to 5 strokes, or if you wish, some like to go up to 8 or 10 times as well. Always end each stroke with a little wiggle. Just relax into the process. The strokes on the neck should be from the top to bottom. Again, 4 to 5 strokes or more if you like it on every section. I'm now going to go in with my hands as well. You don't need a Gua Sha stone. You can use your hands to give yourself a gentle massage. Remember to drain out on the sides of the neck and shoulders, and you will feel this lovely sense of relaxation. Whether you use a Gua Sha stone or your hands, the only rule you have to make sure of is being gentle with your skin. Do not engage in this kind of massage if you have active acne. And let your skin and your hands guide what to do. You can mimic the movements of the Gua Sha stone with your fingers, and it's just as relaxing as a Gua Sha stone massage. Just go from the center of your face towards the sides and drain out. Make sure to massage your neck and your chest area as well. And when you feel relaxed enough, you can stop.